If you are wondering if we are going to receive the Android 17 update on POCO X8 Pro, then the answer is yes, for sure. Unfortunately, right now as I am recording this video, it's very hard to tell when you can expect Android 17 update to be available on POCO X8 Pro, and truth be told, Xiaomi is usually pretty slow with these updates, these major ones, so usually you have to wait quite a bit of time before the new Android update is available for POCO smartphone. In this case, I expect to be pretty similar, but still, we are starting with Android 16, of course, so Android 17 is pretty much guaranteed that it is going to be released. So, like I said, it's hard to tell when, because right now, as I'm recording this, there is no official Android 17 release date or anything like that. It's still in the progress, it's still in development, so unfortunately I can't really tell that. If you are watching this video much later in the future, there is a chance that Android 17 is pretty close to this phone to be released, and maybe it is already out, but it's hard to tell. Still, you are going to get Android 17 update eventually on POCO X8 Pro. Leave a like and subscribe.